Yes, y'all, look at all that body, and it ain't even wash day, huh? Welcome back, Diva and Gents. This is Y2K Diva Locs coming at ya. Y'all peep the body and the movement of my hair, right? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how I detangle and moisturize my interlocks in between washings and reties. So if you think you're interested, keep watching. So what I do is I like to start off with my pick of essential oils, and I mix that with rose water. So the essential oil I chose was the sweet orange. Sweet orange is the bomb. It reduces anxiety. It helps eliminate toxins from the body. It is bomb. It's going to make your scalp feel really good. So right there, I'm shaking it up. Also, for the ends of my roots of my locks, I use the Perfect 7 Cream of Nature and then the CANTU. So now I'm just sort of, just kind of examining the locks. There you go, all 231 of them. And I think it's really important for you to examine your hair every month. I make this a habit every month. I'm just and I like putting my hands through my hair anyway. But it's been about 2 weeks since my last wash and retie. Well, it's been about 2 weeks since my last wash. Not so much for my retie. It's probably been about 3.5 weeks since my last retie. So in between washings and retie, I like to finger detangle and rehydrate my locks. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just putting it in sections so it's easy for me to maneuver as I, go through. So, and I, take this time to examine my scalp. I don't have perfect parts from when I started off with these set of locks, and that's cool. That's real cool. But also the gray hair, I feel like the gray hair, it just kind of skews the perception of my parts, but we all know they're not perfect. All right, so now I've sectioned my hair, and you see, I like to during this time when I'm finger detangling, I deal with these parts. I will fix them and get everybody back in their own section with their own tribe, right? Because these little locks, everybody's in their little own tribe. There's one tribe, and there's the other tribes up front, and they like to, hang out with one another, and I need to kind of separate that. So So that's what I'm doing. Just checking out the scalp, seeing if there's any other sort of surgery I need to perform on my locks. And this is, my edges. Y'all, I have always had edges, but I don't know, kind of like what's going on with the other side of my hair. But right now it's time to hydrate and moisturize, and I'm just going to fast forward through all of this. But what I'm doing is I'm misting each section with the rose water and sweet orange essential oil. I'm separating the roots, and I'm cleaning every part in every section. So that's what I'm doing there. And there's a little baby lock right there, and I want to secure her. So I'm doing a little retie on her. All right, come on, we got this. Let's get it. Y'all notice that tool? Y'all recognize that tool, right? All right. That's an inside joke for, my diehard subscribers that have followed me from the beginning. There you go, nice and clean. All right, go ahead, girl. Yes, yes. So there's that finished lock, and we're gonna tuck that away. And y'all, I have a surprise for you guys at the end of the video. Yeah, I have a surprise. Actually, I filmed this particular video last week, about a week ago. I'm just now uploading it, and I feel like I have to hurry up and upload it and get it running so I can show y'all my my next videos. So, but there it is. This is where I clean out each one of my parts. And divas, it is super important. I think it's good for everybody to touch each of their locks on a regular basis. Even if you have sister locks or super micro locks, get in the habit of touching each one. Know them, understand them. You know, by doing this, it helps me sort of analyze not only my hair's condition, but as well as the condition of my scalp. I want you know, you should be feeling for knots, any kind of weakness along each of your locks. This is what you want to do. You want to do this every month. You know, maybe, or even, yeah, every month, every 3 weeks, at least every 2 weeks, you know, kind of get it going. I'm the type, I love having my hand in my hair. So it's not a problem for me. So there it is. I'm giving it a little bit of a, what am I doing? I'm massaging my scalp. And then I'm taking out each one of my sections. There you go. And I don't think you saw it in the previous frames, but I did add a little bit of that CANTU Shea butter only at the ends, because the ends of your locks can get brittle. And then I use that argan oil. I don't use it, you know, along the whole lock itself, just at the ends. And there we go. And just kind of give your hair that nice, yes, my hair loves this, y'all. Yes. Shake it out. Look at that fullness. Okay, calm down. Don't break your neck, sis. All right. There you go. My hair is really swollen. I kind of don't like that though. I wanted them, I mean, I like the swollen look, but they are just really swelling. For those of y'all who don't know, I do the 2-point rotation because I wanted this full body. But it just seems like each individual lock has really swollen, like got fat. So right now I'm going to try and do my go-to style. But you know, I'm trying to give it a nice look. And I'm not really feeling it right now, how my hair is laying down. So I think I'm gonna go to another style. So right now I'm just kind of putting that up. So now I am just cleaning out the parts, trying to slick back the baby hair. There's nothing to slick back, y'all. My hair is just way too coarse. Even my baby hair is coarse. And then I'm going to take it out. I'm going to wrap it with some of this wrap foam and a lot of body spray. It's time for me to, I'm going to wrap it in some perm rods. I want a different little sassy look now. I have a vision of what I want. I hope it turns out that way. So I'm just going to perm rod the very top of my hair.
2 hours later.
So now it's been 2 hours and I am removing my perm rods and I like it. I like the way you kiss me when we're playing the kissing game. Y'all, I cannot sing. I don't even pretend. So, you know, you gotta, as with being a subscriber, you just have to kind of deal with the fake tail singing that I do. But yes, my hair is coming along. Yes. I like it. Y'all, don't make me have to color my hair all black. I don't want to have to do that. Every single time I want to color my hair all black to get rid of the gray, I just think of my my hair go-tos who have gray hair and they look awesome. Girl, yes, finished product. Look at that. Yes, look at that dope chick. What? Oh, look at that. Oh, I might have to pause to look at these locks. Let's just look at the little swirly swoos. Yes, That is hot. Yes, Ma. Those are cute little stank little curly curls. Little curly cues. All right. I think let's move on. Let's move on. All right, y'all. Remember back on March 7th when I installed my Interlock, supposed to be Microloc, but they weren't much of a Microloc. But my Interlock, I ended up with 231 at the end of at the end. But this is when I first installed them, and they were tiny. You know, they were small. They weren't tiny. They weren't micro. But you know, I thought they were gonna kind of stay that way so that I could be flexible with my styles. But these locks, now granted, I did not braid and band because I have this 4C hair, so I was just washing because I wanted the swole look a little bit, you know, to give my hair a fuller look. So my hair has, it just swelled, and I like it, but they were starting to me to look like traditional locks, which is what I'm leaving. I'm trying to leave traditional locks because I had them for 13 years and they became so heavy. So after making this last video, and I was like, gosh, look at the back of my head. My locks are so swole. I mean, I can't even put them junks in a ponytail. So this is what I did on Monday, June 29th. So kind of did this, y'all.